Okay, language explorers. So, let's have a look at the noun, Monday, nouns, city. City. A place that is bigger than a town where a lot of people live. So it's bigger than a town and people live there. Live. People live and work in a city. Some people travel to a city. Makes sense. So look, yeah, city. A lot of people here, a lot of places, a lot of buildings. Yeah, city. London is a city. Very good. Berlin. Berlin is a city that I have been to. I was in a French city called Paris in 2003. Yeah, French city, where it is in France. Yeah. There are cities all over the world. So we have city, just one. Cities, change that. Cities is 2 plus. One city, cities. So I have been to a lot of cities across England. There are hundreds of cities around the world. Hundreds of cities. Not even that, thousands. Thousands of cities. Thousands of cities all over the world. Makes sense. That city was founded in 74 BC. Yeah, so founded as in when it was first started. Founded. When it was started. So London is 2,000 years old. At least 2,000 years old. It was founded 74 BC. A long time ago. Yeah. Yeah. Birmingham is the closest city to me. It's the closest city to me. Birmingham city is around 20 miles away from me. So it's what? 30 kilometers away. Yeah, about right. Yeah. And which cities do you want to go to next year? So where do you want to travel to? Which city do you want to visit? I want to go to Mexico City. Yes, Ciudad de Mexico, Mexico City. But I don't know when. I don't know when. I would let's change that. What happened there? There we are. I would like to go to Madrid. It is the capital city of Spain. Yeah. Why not? There are a lot of cities. Around, cities in Spain. Yeah. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. Later. How cool is that? Yes. Yeah. So, a lot of cities in Spain. How cool is that? So, city. A place that is bigger than a town where a lot of people live. City. Cities. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you write city in a sentence? Put it in the comments below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. More videos every day. And you can find me on Facebook, YouTube, and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian, and you can find me on Udemy. Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.